Let's go to question 3. Let f of x equals this. Part of a graph of f is shown in the following diagram. The graph of f crosses the y-axis at point P. The line L is a tangent to the graph of f at P. Find the coordinates of P. The coordinates of P will be 0, f of 0. So f of 0 equals 0 to the third power minus 2 times 0 squared plus a times 0 plus 6 equals 6. Therefore, coordinates of P is 0, 6. Another way to work out the coordinates of P is use the fact for polynomial function. This C is the y-intercept. In this question, 6 is the constant number. So 0, 6 is the coordinates for this P. Let's label. B1, find f prime of x. F prime of x equals x to the third power minus 2x squared plus ax plus 6 prime. We got to use this formula. Remember, x prime equals 1, c prime equals 0. For x to the third power prime equals 3x squared. X squared prime equals 2x. Therefore, equals 3x squared minus 2 times 2x plus a plus 0. Organize 3x squared minus 4x plus a. Let's go to B2. Hence, find the equation of L in terms of a. Since L is the tangent line at P, we got to use this formula. Since this is a tangent line, I will use m sub t to show that x minus x1. We already given this x1, y1 is 0, 6. We just need to figure out the slope of a tangent line equals f prime of 0. Do the substitution for this function. We got 3 times 0 squared minus 4 times 0 plus a equals a. Slope of a tangent line equals a. So we get y minus y1 is 6 equals slope of a tangent line is a times x minus 0. Organize y minus 6 equals ax. Add 6 both sides. We got y equals ax plus 6. So when you look for the equivalent of tangent line or normal line, this is always your first step. Second step, then the third step to figure out the equivalent of normal line or tangent line. Let's go to C. The graph of f has a local minimum at point Q. Local minimum, which means f prime of x equals 0. The line L passes through Q. Find the value of A. let's label what we already knew for this graph, 0, 6. The equation of this line L is y equals ax plus 6. The function of this f is f of x equals, and f of x equals x to the third power minus 2x squared plus ax plus 6. Since Q is the intersection of L and F, we will set up these two functions equal to each other. So we get ax plus 6 equals x to the third power minus 2x squared plus ax plus 6. Simplify. We got 0 equals x to the third power minus 2x squared. X to the third power means we have more than one solutions. Control menu. 5. Delete all. Go to menu. We got to use the standard window first. Click on tab, x to the third power minus 2x squared. Enter. Let's check the zeros. Go to menu. 6, 0. We got 0, 0. Menu 6. Enter. We got x equals 2. So by graphing, x1 equals 0, x2 equals 2. We need to cross out this x1 based on the information given in this graph. Second step, since Q is a local minimum value, and coordinates for this Q is 2f of 2. So we get f prime of 2 equals 0 to work out this A. We already figured out f prime of x equals, let's go back to the previous question. F prime of x equals 3x squared minus 4x plus 8. Let's do the substitution. 3 times 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus a equals 0. Work this out in your calculator. We can get 4 plus a equals 0. So a equals -4.